fight over territory. Number 1. The fight to win the female. These lions are fighting over the female to mate with. This old lion tries to approach the young lion who wants to seize his female. Even though the old lion was injured near his tail, he didn't want to give up on chasing away the young lion. After a long fight, the young lion finally gave up, and the fight was won by the old lion. Then the old lion immediately gave a sign with his voice, indicating that he was the winner. Number 2. The lioness entered enemy territory. This lioness was separated from her herd, then she tried to search. Accidentally, she entered the enemy's territory. Quickly, the enemy herd immediately approached and attacked her.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This lost lioness is being attacked by 4 lionesses who rule the territory. A lost lioness is seen feeling overwhelmed fighting for it once. After some time, a male lion appeared to break up the fight. Number 3. The fight of 2 young lions against 1 old lion. This old lion, who was already helpless, was approached by 2 young lions to seize his territory. Without mercy, the 2 young lions continued to attack the old lion until he was helpless. Trying to rebel, the old lion couldn't because his strength wasn't like before. And finally, the old lion ran out of energy and lay down in resignation.